Hi everyone, I'm Akash Umakant Biradar. In today's topic, we will learn about wrapping class, the wrapper classes in Java. So, in Java, there are 8 primitive data types. We know that the primitive data types are int, float, long, boolean, character, short, byte, etc. Java is a object-oriented programming language, so it requires objects, not primitive. So Java requires object, not primitive. For example, if you take example of collection, array length L is equal to array length new array length. In that, if I take L dot add 10, here 10 means primitive. uh, Before the Java 1.5 came, it means on Java 1.4, 1.3, if you take this example and if you run this dot add, L dot add or add 10, then it will shows compile time error because the concept of autoboxing is came in Java 1.5 and onwards. Yeah, it means in autoboxing concept the primitive data types are wrapped in the wrapper class, and here internally the primitive internally converts into that object in from 1.5 Java versions onwards. Now, what is the need of what is the need of wrapper class? To primitive data types to convert into objects, object form, it requires some concepts. That concepts are called wrapper class. To convert the primitive data types or primitive into object, because Java is object oriented programming language, the concept required, that concept is called as wrapper class. And uh, for example, if primitive is 10, primitive integer 10, 10 is here is int type primitive here. And so if I want to create that 10 or that integer to wrapper to object, then I have to choose the integer wrapper class. Now, the what are the purpose of wrapper class? There are mainly two purpose of wrapper class. The first one is uh, to convert or the primitive data types into objective forms, or primitive to convert primitive into objects, so it can handle. So to wrap primitive data types into object form, so uh, we can handle these primitive data types like an object, huh? And the second one is for method utilization, the wrapper class is used. It means to define the several utility method for primitive. The second one is, now if I take a student, or if I take create a object of student class, student yes is equal to new student, and by using this object I can get many methods here. Yes dot method get marks, yes dot set marks, yes dot roll number, yes dot name. But the object of the created object have corresponding class, and we define in that we define require method in that corresponding class. The That is how utility methods for primitives by wrapper class. This is our general example. We will take the another one. If I want to change 10, if I 10 is int type primitive data type, if I want to change this 10 to string, then what will we do? Then I have to create an object string yes is equal to integer dot to string, in bracket, in round brace, 10, after that semicolon. Here 10 means primitive, and integer dot toString is a method calling. To, it means to utilize, to for utility method for primitive wrapper class is used. This is second one purpose of that. Then every primitive has separate wrapper class. Int has integer, byte has byte, but the wrapper class name is starts with uppercase. All the same, but सिर्फ only character is wrapper class char primitive data type have wrapper class of character, and int primitive data type have wrapper class of integer, and other ones has same but the starts with uppercase. For example, byte byte wrapper class, primitive data type boolean, then wrapper class is boolean but start with uppercase, etc. This is all this is all about the wrapper class. Thank you.